Namaste. My name is Detoxification. I live in Klumbakeshwar. My school name is Swami Sudhasarananda Saraswati Gurukul. My standard UKG class.
Very good. Wonderful. Next card.
Just shape is over
Okay.
and yellow color.
Very good. What is
Pink.
background color?
Background color pink.
Okay. Show to the camera. Wow. Wonderful. Next card.
The shape is a star
Okay.
and
What is the star color?
star color blue.
Okay. What is the background color, beta?
Background color yellow.
Show to the camera. Yes. Perfect. Next card.
The shape color circle.
Okay.
Shape color yellow.
Perfect.
Green color.
Very good. बेटा कैमरा को भी दिखाना है आपको. यस. पहले चेक करो.
Triangle.
Very good.
Shape.
Yes.
White color.
Perfect.
Blue color.
Wonderful. Very nice. Show to the camera.
कैमरा देखो.
Yes. Perfect. Next card.
The shape is the yellow. The shape is the circle.
Wonderful.
And
बैकग्राउंड कलर.
the color in the yellow.
Okay. Perfect.
And background color dark green.
दिखाओ कैमरा को. Yes. Wonderful. Very nice.
Shape color.
नहीं जमते तो आप दिखा दो.
Shape color square.
Okay.
Shape color yellow. Red.
बैकग्राउंड कलर.
Background color
शेप काय आहे?
shape square.
परफेक्ट. स्क्वेअरचा रंग काय आहे?
Red.
परफेक्ट. बॅकग्राऊंडला काय आहे?
Yellow.
वंडरफुल. व्हेरी नाईस. अजून एक कार्ड द्या तुला. हे घे.
Triangle.
Very
Shape
good.
triangle. Shape color white. Background color blue.
Wonderful. Very nice.